Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This one is going to be another build video of the CR125. So the purpose of this video is to get through as many of these parts that I've got on the bench as possible, get them fitted on the bike. So let me show you the parts that I've got. So on this bench, this is all the parts that I want to get fitted onto the bike today. So let me take you through what I've got here. We have front and rear brake discs, Motormaster and Pro X. We've got Apico front brake hose. We have a Domino throttle, UFO, this is the rear chain slider. We've got an inner tube, Pro X front and rear brake discs, and I've got that Apico wheel spacers. And also on here I've got a Mishimoto black radiator hose kit, because I can't decide between whether I want to go with the blue or the black. I'm not sure which one of those that I actually want to go with. But let me show you what else I've got. And I also want to get both the wheels fully rebuilt. Cleaned up the rear one, and I've got two brand new Pirelli tyres on there. You saw that I had the inner tube. I want to get the rear one fully rebuilt, and then I can start on the front one. Basically, I just want to get through all these parts that I've got on the bench and make some progress on the build. So let me show you the tyres that I've got. Just show you these right here. We've got two brand new Pirelli Scorpion MX Extra tyres to fit, because let me show you the front one. I mean, these are completely shot, all the knobbies are torn, tyres completely worn out. I've managed to clean up the rim, brand new spokes and nipples, cleaned up the hub, so that's all looking good. And I'm probably going to make a video of how I clean up all the metal parts, because I've done that to the whole thing, to the frame, to the subframe, to the swing arm. I'll make a video about how I've managed to clean up all these parts, because look, they turned out looking pretty amazing. But now it's time to get this rear wheel rebuilt with the inner tube and the brand new tyres. So you're seeing all the parts that I want to get fitted. I'm going to start with the rear wheel so that I can actually move the bike around again, and then try and get through all the parts that I've got on the bench, try and get as much fitted as possible, and then we should be looking good. We should have made some progress on this build, and then we can start on the next part. So let's get started with the build. Okay, struggling with the tyres right now, so I think what I'm going to do is probably leave the tyre out in the sunshine for a little bit. That's hopefully it will get nice and soft, and it might be a little bit easier to work to try and get over the rim. Last thing I want to do is damage the new inner tube or bend the rim, so we'll kind of come back to that a little bit later. So I'm going to find something else to fit. I've got the throttle, got the chain slider, so I'm going to crack on with something else and then have another go at the tyre later. Okay, so I've managed to get the tyre seated onto the rear rim. Unfortunately my battery died, so I didn't manage to capture anything of me struggling with the rear tyre, trying to get that on the rim. It's a new day today. Yesterday it just didn't stop raining for the whole rest of the afternoon, so I couldn't really make much progress, but today is a new day. The rear wheel is now sorted with a brand new tyre, brand new inner tube, and it means that I can finally get it installed on the bike, which means rear spacers, rear brake disc, rear brake pads. I can get all of that buttoned up and get all that sorted. So let's carry on with this build. So guys, I think we're gonna have to leave the video there. We got the rear wheel completed, and I thought I was gonna make a start on the front one, but I'm a fucking idiot. I thought I already had spokes and an inner tube and a rim lock and everything already sitting on the shelf. I thought I'd already ordered those up ages ago, but turns out that I haven't, so I'm gonna have to wait for those parts to come and I can carry on with the front wheel. But look out for the next video, because I will be doing a video on how I polish up the aluminium to get it looking like it comes straight from the factory. And in that video I'll be able to kill two birds with one stone. So in that video showing you how I polish up the aluminium, I will also be rebuilding the front wheel with the new spokes, new inner tube and everything, and get the front wheel completed, ready to go back onto the bike. So if you like this content and you really want to help this channel grow, then hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Share the video with anybody that you think is interested in watching classic two-strokes getting rebuilt. Hit that like button and the subscribe button. You have no idea how much it helps. I'm sure it really tells YouTube that this channel is worth watching and other people should be watching this video too. So that's all I ask of you. So look out for that next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Alright guys, peace.
Cause these days I've been doing things my way. I can't hide away, make me feel it's all on my face. You know I got it made. Yeah, things been going my way.